we have made it to our destination for today. I haven't stayed here all night yet, but this might be the best Harvest Host stay so far. Are you ready for my porch view for today and tonight and tomorrow morning? Not too bad, huh? All right, so I do have a tasting. Oh, here's the cat. That is the property cat. They told me about him. This is Clifford, everybody. Hi, buddy. How are you? Hi. That is one friendly cat. Loves attention, loves attention. Oh, he is very friendly. I do have a tasting at 3:30 scheduled, so until then I'm gonna be working on my laptop a bit, get ahead of these videos for you guys. So I'll see you at 3:30. A little bit of research pays off. This is all I'm thinking right now. I'm definitely not sponsored by Harvest Host in any way, but having a membership like that and searching for a few places pays off. So it's almost sunset, and this place has a fire ring and they have free firewood. But in order for me to get the firewood, I have to earn it. So you guys are in a wheelbarrow. I packed up camp here and I know just the perfect spot to go grab some coffee and maybe some other things. Ready to go. We have a few more stops to go to, but for the most part we're getting close to our campsite, which is probably going to be perfect for when I start making lunch. But we still have a few errands to run. Yes, errands, even on trips. But one of them is going to be to get firewood. Also need to dump some of my #1 jars because the last camp spot that I stayed, they didn't have a toilet. Well, that didn't take very long for errand #1. This is a day use area on the side of the highway and it has an outhouse, so we can go empty these puppies. This is the real van life, okay? Stuff like that needs to be done. Okay, let's move on. Next errand. And it also gets us closer to our destination. I think I got pretty much all the errands done. I also threw out some of the trash that I had in that day area. I didn't have a lot of trash, but the day use area had a trash can. So those are just things that I look out for when I'm traveling, you know, trash and toilets.
Core.